All right, let's see what we got going on here. Let's turn on the AC power. Okay, nothing blue. The transformer is on. Okay, everything looks good. I rigged up some switches here. So let's hit the open signal. So my operator moves. Okay, we'll hit the close signal. Goes the opposite direction. Okay, and let's see what happens when you hit the door close limit for holding. Come on, where you going? Nice and slow. That's basically it. I just messed up on the job. These are DC relays, so I need to make them AC relays for the job, and then I can put the rectifier in place. That's why I have the transformer now, just for a test. But at least we're getting closer. Next is to work on the speeds.